Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to study about the factorization of cubic polynomials. Okay, so let's start with cubic polynomials. What are cubic polynomials? Cubic polynomials are the polynomials written in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a must not be equal to 0 and a, b, c, d belongs to the real number, right? So if you look at any polynomial that looks similar to this form, so and which satisfies all these conditions, so that polynomial expression is going to be the cubic polynomial expression. Okay, so here we'll see how to factorize cubic polynomials. Okay, one thing that I would like to tell you here is that we do not have any such formula similar to what we did in quadratic polynomials. Okay, in quadratic polynomials we have formula to find the solutions or the values of x, but here we do not have any such formula. Okay, so here we just use several ways to find or to factorize the cubic polynomial expression. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, the first way that we can use is grouping. Okay, grouping. Why? Because we group the terms. Okay, we group the terms. Example I will take here is x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x minus 18. Okay, this is the given polynomial expression, cubic polynomial expression. Okay, so if you look at this polynomial expression, then I can see that I can easily get the factors if I group several terms. Okay, for example, if I group these two terms, and then these two terms, then I will get some common factor. Okay, what does it mean? See here, if I take x squared common out from here, it will be x plus 3. Here, if I take minus 6 common out, it will be x plus 3. Okay, so it will be x plus 3 x squared minus 6, right? So the value of x from here minus 3, and from here is plus root 6 and minus root 6, right? So if you look here, because the degree is 3, so it's going to have 3 factors. Okay, but sometimes it's also possible that these solutions or values of x may repeat. Then for example, if here instead of minus root 6, if I have or if let's see, if I get values of x like 3 or plus 2 or plus 2, then see here, now this value is repeating. Okay, solution is repeating means one solution, and here we have one solution. So when we write factor in the factors form, represent this in the expression form, I will say x minus 3 and x minus 2 square, means x minus 2, x minus 2. I hope you got it. Okay, so we got value of here. So how can we write these values in the factor form? It would be x plus 3, and this would be x minus root 6 and x plus root 6. Okay, so these 3 factors are going to be the factors of this polynomial, and we use grouping method. Okay, you just have to look at the polynomial expression and just figure out the way if you can group something. Okay, then the next method is I can erase it, right? The next method is breaking method. breaking method. Okay, now see here, what do we do in breaking method? Cubic cubic uh, cubic polynomial expression we can break into linear and quadratic. Why? Because here the degree is 3, degree 1, and degree 2, right? This can be further broken into linear and linear. So I can say linear and linear and linear. Okay. So if you know this, then it's easy to understand this breaking method. This method is nothing, but in this method we just use hit and trial method. Okay, what does it mean? Let's take an example. Uh, for example, the given polynomial is 3x square 3x cube plus 18x square plus x plus 6. Okay, this is the given polynomial expression. This is cubic polynomial expression. Okay, now what we will do, it's so hard, it's so hard to find the factor, because how do we get factors for it? Because there is no formula. And then even if I group the terms, then I can see, no, sorry, this is the similar one, right? 3x 3x cube 3x square x plus 6. No, we done this. So wait, let me change the example. This is x square plus 3x x cube plus 3x square minus 6x minus 18. Let's see this example. Okay, sorry, 3x square plus 3x cube plus 18x square plus x plus 6. Okay, no problem. We will not use this can be done using the grouping method. Okay, because I guess I wrote the question on the board, but I think it's fine. We can it's a similar question. You can use grouping. I think you can use 3x square x plus 6. Yes, okay, but you can also factorize this polynomial using the other method. Now see here, if I do not have any other way of factorizing the cubic polynomial, what I can do is that I have to because see here, factors means getting the values of x. Okay, values of x means solutions, right? And what are solutions? Solution means those values of x which makes px equal to 0, right? So here, if I just use hit and trial method, and if I throw in the different values of x, I can check the value of px. If px is going to be 0 for any value of x, then I can make the expression out from it, linear expression, right? See here, what I'm trying to say is that, for example, here, let's say I put here uh, value of x equal to 0. So p of 0 is going to be 6. So it means this is not a factor. Okay, I put value of x1, p1. Now this is whole plus. It means I have to look for the negative integers. -1, p of -1 is going to be -3 plus 18 minus 1 plus 6. No, it's not equal to 0. I will ignore it. Okay, let's say x minus 2. So p of minus 2, it would be 24 minus 24 plus 18 for 32, 32, and here minus 2 plus 6. No, it's not going to be 0, right? I think if you put value of x minus 6, then 36 times 6 is uh, uh, 216 multiplied by 3, 18 4 6. So it will be p of minus 6 would be minus 6 for 8 plus 36 multiplied by 18, 48, 24, 28, 6, 3, 8, 14, 648. Okay, and here minus 6 plus 6. Now see here, cancel, this is 0. So on putting x equal to 6, x equal to minus 6 minus p of minus x is 0, it means if x equal to minus 6 is the solution, then in the expression form it will become x plus 6. Now see here, from here I got my first expression. Now what I can do is, if I divide this by this, I will get few more factors, right? So see here, uh, what does it mean? Now I know x plus 6 is one factor. Okay, x plus 6 is one factor. Now if I divide this whole expression by this, so it will be 3x square, 3x cubed plus 18x square minus minus cancelled out here, x plus 6 here plus 1, x plus 6 minus minus cancelled out. So the next factor is 3x square. So the next factor, now see here, I can represent this px with x plus 6 and this 3x square plus 1. Okay, so these are going to be two factors. Now this is linear, this is quadratic. If you think you can break it down, yes, fine, go ahead with it. For example, here I'm just talking about this. So for this one, a is 3, b is 0, and c is 1. Now see here, it will have imaginary solutions. Okay, it will have imaginary values of x, y. See here, minus b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So b is 0 minus 4ac, 4ac, 4, 3, 12, 12. So value of x would be minus b, is 0, 0 plus minus, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is minus 12, right? Minus 12 divided by 2a. 2a is 6. So this will be plus minus. This will be plus minus root 12i by 6. So this value of x, it will have two imaginary values. Okay, so better let it stay like this, or you can also use this value, x minus this imaginary value, x plus this imaginary value. You can do it that way too. So it's very simple. Now there is only one trick here. Sometimes what happens is that this is a trick, so uh, just use it when you are running out of time. Okay, otherwise, because this is a trick, means sometimes it fails. Okay, for example, when you try to factorize the cubic polynomial and you don't know what values you have to put in, throw in to get px equal to 0, the trick is that just factorize this constant part. So I will get 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, these are the factors of this number, right? So just add plus minus to them, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, okay? And check the value of px for these values of x for both plus minus. Now see here uh, my factor is x plus 6 means minus 6. See here. But it will fail when you will have prime number here, right? You will have prime number here, or if you are going to get the value of x in fraction, okay, because in that case I think it will fail. Yes, it will fail for sure. Okay, so that's how we factorize cubic polynomials. I hope you understood it. You can try a few more questions. It's very simple. If you do not understand, just keep watching this video several times, and I hope you will understand it. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and have a great time. Bye bye.